So when I started my journey, I didn't really have a clear roadmap. I just had a gut feeling that there was definitely more to life than the usual 9-to-5 grind. And growing up, I always envisioned a life where I was in control. I wanted more freedom, and not just financial freedom, but that kind of freedom that comes with doing what I love on my own terms. In the beginning, it felt like I was definitely on the right path, but I was still trying to figure out how to get there. At first, I started small with dropshipping. I thought it was a golden ticket, a business without inventory or overhead. And so I spent hours watching tutorials, reading articles, absorbing every piece of content I could possibly find. But starting was rough. It was me, alone in my room, refreshing my Shopify store in the dead of the night, just waiting for something to happen. And so weeks went by with barely any sales. And it was just me wondering if maybe I wasn't cut out for this. And I vividly remember one Friday night. My friends were heading out to a party and they were all excited. The energy was infectious, but for me, the entry fee was way too much. I could have scraped together a few bucks, but I decided it wasn't worth it. And so I actually just told them I was busy with work, but deep down I was very embarrassed because the matter of the fact was I didn't have any money to spare, and the thought of going out and pretending everything was fine felt more exhausting than just sitting at home. So while they were out laughing and having fun, I was at home glued to my laptop trying to make sense of everything. And I spent that night diving deep into all of the ad strategies and product testing methods. The grind really became my routine and my escape and my comfort. I kept pushing, just thinking that if I just had worked hard enough, success would come knocking. And at first it did. I actually started making some sales and feeling like I was finally onto something. But as time went on, I quickly hit a wall. The initial excitement faded. I was finally running a business, but there was a problem. It felt hollow. I was selling products without a brand or without any kind of loyalty. And it was just a race to the bottom in a sea of competitors. And I started to feel lost. And so I began questioning whether this really was what I wanted. Was I really making an impact, or was I once again just another cog in the machine? And then one late night I stumbled across something that just absolutely clicked: weighted blankets. And I had read about the benefits, how they could help people with anxiety, promote better sleep, and offer a sense of calm. This wasn't just about selling, it was about creating something that could genuinely help people. And this felt different. I immediately called my mom to share my idea, and it went from a side hustle to a full-blown obsession. I locked myself away, working long hours, and every day I would wake up, eat the same meal, work, and then repeat the next day. I skipped out on social events, ignored messages from friends, and focused solely on making this business a success. My life revolved around product sourcing, marketing strategies, and customer service. I was truly living on autopilot, and my world shrank to just me and my business. I thought that if I just worked hard enough, everything would fall into place. But with each passing day, the pressure grew. Customer questions piled up, I was juggling countless tasks, and the stress was overwhelming. I hadn't experienced anything like it before, and I started feeling the weight of everything. The more successful the business became, the more isolated I felt because nobody could relate to me. I was running around like a headless chicken, and even as orders poured in, I felt like I was loosening my grip. I began to realize that I was in too deep to stop now. This wasn't just a business, it felt like a trap. My mom could hear it in my voice whenever we talked. I brushed it off at first, thinking I was managing just fine, but the truth was, I wasn't. I was tired, I was exhausted really. I had almost no social life, and my mental health was starting to take a hit. I remember one particular night, feeling completely drained. I sat in my living room, just staring at the walls, realizing I was missing out on life, all in pursuit of something I wasn't sure was even worth it anymore. Then it happened. I hit a wall. I was mentally and physically burned out, and I knew I couldn't keep going like this. Not if I wanted to come out whole. It was one of the hardest realizations I've ever faced. So I took a step back and made the decision to bring on a team. It felt extremely scary at first. Like I was giving up control of my baby, my ecom store, but I knew I couldn't do it all anymore. I found a few good people I could trust to handle customer service, logistics, and even even some marketing tasks. I said to them, look, I can't keep up with everything. I need your help. I need people who understand this space, who can handle the operations while I focus on growing the brand. Letting go of the reins was extremely tough, but over time it changed everything. I learned to delegate and trust others, and bit by bit I started to see beyond the daily grind, and for the first time in a long while I could breathe again. I rediscovered balance in my life, and I was able to spend time with friends, even reconnect with family, and even take care of my own health. It was a game changer, and the business started thriving too. By letting go of some control, I gained something I had lost completely. I could finally focus on what really mattered, the vision for my brand, the message I wanted to share with the world. I was no longer just a hustler. I was a founder with a purpose. Looking back, I see how much I'd been missing, not just in business, but in life in general. The business was growing, but so was I. It felt like every single day was a new beginning. And I realized I had a choice. I could either keep grinding until I burned out or build a life that allowed me to enjoy the journey. I've created brands that are not just about profits. They're about making a difference. And if you're chasing something big, remember, it's crucial to ask for help before you lose yourself in the process. Success isn't just about hard work, it's about smart work, and it's about building a team, establishing a support system, and knowing when to step back to recharge.